This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about test tube shooters, specifically these Clear-Tech test tubes and holder. The tubes are 5¼ inches by 3/4 inches wide, and you can see they've got a nice clear finish to them, and unlike most test tubes, they actually have a nice little flat bottom, so they can stand up on their own, which is fantastic. And the holders make service easy and breezy because it turns it into a nice little self-serve buffet stand, or it can be carried around in a tray to do a pass service as well. The tubes in the holder are sold separately, and the holder, you can see, is made of a really great crystal clear acrylic. It's double layer so that they're really securely in there, and it's got 40 slots, so you can really load it up and pass them around or set them out for easy service. It's a unique way to serve things like shots, shooters. You can even do things like cute little appetizers and desserts. I even like this for something like putting out things like different sauces or drizzles to be added to dishes or desserts. And they're great for a variety of different types of parties, whether you're going for a very sleek, modern, kind of minimalistic look, or you're just looking to create some crazy mad scientist vibes. They're great for easy, quick self-service on buffets or on a bar, or they can even be carried around on trays for a cute little past app or drink. The test tubes are 100% recyclable, and the stand is reusable, making these great for eco-minded caterers and establishments. And the crystal clear finish of both of these really shows off those great vibrant colors of drinks and foods. These are perfect for caterers, restaurants, event planners, and a variety of other food establishments looking for a unique presentation for shots, shooters, or appetizers.